DaVinci Resolve versus Filmora. So Filmora is a video editing software aimed at creators and all levels, especially that offers drag and drop editing, built-in templates, and newer AI features. So for the pros, it is very user-friendly with the interface and quick learning curve, which is good for YouTube tutorials and content creation. It also has many built-in templates, transitions, effects, and AI tools to speed up common tasks. It also supports Windows and Mac and has the mobile version. The cons is though, the free trial version exports with a watermark, so to remove it, you need to pay the paid plan. It also has a great simple edit, but may lack depth and advanced pro features compared to higher end tools. And some users report some performance issues as well. Then we have a comparison, which is the DaVinci Resolve Editor Studio. So it is a paid version and is a professional grade editing, color grading, audio post, and VFX suite used by filmmakers and serious editors. So for the pros, it is highly powerful, excellent color grading tools, and full making workflow. It has a free version as well, and very capable, and is also widely respected in professional editing films. The cons is though, it has a steep learning curve. It also has a high system hardware requirement compared to simpler editors, and some users say the interface and workflow are less intuitive. So overall, if your priority is ease and speed and content creation friendly, then I recommend you Filmora. But if your priority is full control, professional output, and deep editing, then DaVinci Resolve is the best option. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.